Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will look how to open two terminal in same window, because sometimes we work on front end and back end different repo. For example, we are working in Angular with Laravel and both are separate project. At that time we need to console. So let's check how to create to console in same window in cmder terminal. You need to just pass one command: start cmd new underscore console colon s and okay. You can see here second console open in same window. Now you can open Laravel project in this, and you can open Angular project in this terminal. So let's fire ng show in first terminal and php artisan show in second console. So you no need to switch more windows. That time you can use it same window for two console. I hope this is very useful for everyone. Thank you for watching video.